Can you spot the mistakes? Let's start with the first one. Tá cúpla focal agam. I have a couple of words. Cúpla is a tricky word in Irish because even though in English we'd say a couple of words, in Irish you would say a couple of word. Cúpla focal, just like cúpla lá, cúpla duine, cúpla ihe. So the correct form of this is tá cúpla focal agam. What about the next one? Dálam Gaeilge fadó. Well, fálam is the verb to learn and it doesn't include may, even though there is an M there. So we'll have to add in may. Dálam may Gaeilge fadó. And finally, bhí dhá duine ann. Well, there's a special word in Irish for two people and that's Bert. Bhí Bert ann.